So today we will be discussing about the multiplication trick, which is much more beneficial in all the topics, that is average, then profit and loss, compound interest, and even in simplification. So today we will be discussing the tricks which are applicable to crack such question within a short span. Okay, let's move to next slide. So moving towards type A, multiplication of a number by 5. So multiplication any of such number by 5. So the first of I will discuss the procedure. Let's have one example, that is 5 into 4. Side by side I will be mentioning the steps which are required to solve such question. That is, in step 1, first divide this multiplier, make a half of it. So the half of multiplier, that is equal to 4 half, that is equal to 2. As it is easily getting half by 2, we would be placing at the end 0. But if there might be a number, that is 9, which is not getting half or divisible by 2, in that case the decimal that comes, that is point. So instead of point, we should replace that by means of number 5. I will show you in the step 2. First we should do the half of the multiplier, then just simply put 0 at the end, because why, it get easily got divided by 2, that is 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 20. Step 2, put 0 if the number is easily divisible by 2. Number is, just side by side make a note of it in your reference notes. Divisible by 2. One more example, 5 into 16. So over here, by applying the first step, what we see is that the half of 16, that is 8. Okay, next, as it got easily divisible by 2, so just put at the end 0. Now moving towards next condition, what if the number is odd, that is 5 into 9. By dividing this number, I will show you, 2 4, 2 into 4, that is 8. So 1, this decimal which occurs, instead of that we need to place over here, replace the decimal by 5. So the answer is 5 into 9, 4 as it is. Then in place of decimal, what we have to put, 5. Did you get it? Use chat box. Some example for you, 5 into 224. 5 into 37. Just solve and let me know. Side by side, I will also explain you once again. See over here, the number get easily half. That is 224. That is 112. But at the end, as it got easily half, that is step 2, which I mentioned over here. Step 1 what? Easily get half. So we have mentioned 2. In the next step, what we have, as it has easily got half, so in that place we have put 0. But if the number is not get easily half, that is divided by 2, 37 is not divisible by 2. So how we will work over here? That is, we would go one digit back, that is 36. So 36, that is 18. 36 half is 18. Okay, and the decimal which come in place of that, just place 5 over here. If the number is odd, just write the number which come earlier to it, that is 36. Then the decimal which occur during the division, in place of that, just place the number 5 over here. 224 multiply by 5. So what we will write? Half of 224, that is 112. Then easily got divisible by 2, so just placing 0. Try one more example. 5 into 563. That is 2815. Let's move to next type. Just take a snap of it for your reference point. Next type is multiplication of number. Multiplication of a number by 25. Let's have some example. Twenty-five into 13. Step 1, that is always divide. Step 1, that is always divide the multiplier by 4. That is 13 divided by 4. Always, whenever we multiply by means of 25, always divide that number by 4. So 4 threes are 12, 1, then decimal, 4 twos are 8, that is 2, decimal 0, 4 fives are 20. That is what our answer. That is, but over here we won't be considering this decimal. we would be only writing as 325. Always divide this number by 4. The quotient what we get is our answer. Just remove the decimal from it. Only when by multiplying with number 25 to any number.